We're up for another one of our little bird nesting walks by this one with
Thorny Wood Centre, it's cattle in it.
Thorny Woodland Centre. I'm getting the key for the bird hives. And right, there's about 6 in this area, isn't it? So
I'm just going to check them out today, see what's what.
It's just up ahead through the trees there. We're just hoping there's nobody in, so we can make a decent video.
It's not that if it's full of people, everybody's sitting really quiet, so we can't really...
We can't target on them. Aye.
We've came to this first hide now, we can really see squirrels. There's at least half a dozen. Oh, how did that get out? I missed it.
Aye, it managed to get through.
Did you see how it got out?
No.
There was a squirrel in this cage covering the seed there, and I would have now got him, but it's just getting it, but I wasn't looking. Did you have the camera?
I had the camera on it, like it scattered out the back of it.
That's why there's obviously no birds, because I'll get frightened off the squirrels.
The squirrels are managing to get in, pinching all the food. But there's actually quite a few of the greys on here.
You would think there were decent, better setups for the birds, wouldn't you?
Aye, definitely.
You know, where I've seen this, it looks like somebody's made a bit of a one with a log and drill loads of holes in it.
Aye, drill loads of holes in, you can put that fat food in and stuff like that, can't you?
But I think this one's
going
to be a waste of time with all the squirrels, that's all you're going to say, isn't it?
Aye, too many other things.
I wouldn't care, it's had a good pond in that there, but I don't know why they've let this one go, it's a decent hut and stuff and all, isn't it?
You can see the reeds over the back there. They actually should be digging that back out and making it into a pond.
Oh, there's a few. We haven't actually got much of them close up, have we?
No.
We've normally got them quite far away. When you're on your walks, they're normally off.
They're a very shy bird, aren't they?
It's just sitting nicely from the tree there. Actually a nice bird, you know, when you look at them now. There's a little blue tit, or grey tit, I didn't say it, probably just flew down trying to get some seed there, but...
When that grey squirrel being there, they'll be a bit shy, won't they?
Ah, there's a little...
Back on the table. I'm surprised at it, mind. Oh, that's how it's getting in. There's another deer just flew through the trees there.
Just through one little gap in the bottom there? You wouldn't think it would fit, would you?
Nah, there must be the young squirrels. They've got a canny-sized head on them as well, so I'm surprised they're getting through them gaps. Because they made them baskets, like, specifically to stop the birds, like, to stop their squirrels from getting in.
That little grey tit's just having a little fly doing a bit of seed and then away again, isn't it?
Aye.
Well, I would took these grey squirrels there, haven't they?
Oh, definitely.
And there's back again, that looks one seed and then it's off.
Straight in, straight lead.
But like, see if they got some, trying to get some, like, that feeders up where the squirrels kind of get it then.
Aye.
I mean, I know they're clever, I was reckon they work away, didn't they? But
oh, they're brilliant. Aye. Like, intelligent, it's the same on the reds, isn't it?
They've done it before, can you remember they've done a proper setup where the squirrel and that climb all loads of obstacles to get to the feed. Sometimes it took them days, but they'll eventually work.
Aye. Like an intelligent sort of test sort of thing for them. Keep putting different obstacles there for them and they have to like work ways to get to the food.
I think when it's rank, it'll probably be decent there.
There's a great tit back there.
You've seen some red squirrels, but...
Aye, they would look good in the reds. There's a lot of small birds going backwards and forwards to the feeder, but...
I've just seen a couple of great tits, there's one up there, but I would have just dropped them down, picking a seed and then...
They're doing it very quickly because of the squirrel, isn't it?
They're not my favourite animals, like, to be fair.
Yeah, no.
But they ruin a lot of things.
That squirrel get its fill and get too full. Not be to get back out.
There's another one coming down through that holly bush.
Oh,
that's what they do.
It's thunder over there.
These must have just been this year born. Some of these are little, aren't they?
Ah, they are quite small. Oh, bit of a fight going on.
Well, I think that's it for you. Do you think?
Aye, definitely. Oh, what's that on that tree? Oh, it's another great tit. Just up the holly tree there. This would be a good video if you like squirrels.
Oh,
I think I've just seen that deer fly past.
like squirrels, you could sit all day.
Aye. It is. The deer's just flew past there.
That's
It's keep coming round. Yeah. It still has a pair of them. Just a shame. Oh, there's a little blue tail there.
If it wasn't for the squirrels, you'd probably get quite a few birds at the back of here.
It's just too many of the
If it
things.
wasn't
There's
for
like
the
a
squirrels.
proper full family of them. It's 5. Well, I can see here, at least. And we're only about 10 or 12 foot away from them. I was looking at that one on the tree, see it sitting there up against the holly.
See that?
I didn't realise there was white underneath.
No, it's... I know they did have white light, but... The kids would probably enjoy sitting there, like, watching the squirrels, wouldn't they?
Aye. It does say on the website that this one's used for the like school children between 10 and 2 or something, most days of the week.
Shall we head off and have a look at the other one, see what we find out?
Aye. Some one birds
birds.
on. Aye. What we're looking at is a nuthatch there, sitting on top of that feeder log. Where's it went?
It's in the holly bush. I
It's
think
still in the holly, I think it's
it's
trying
one
to...
to, it probably would be decent, yeah, like we say, if it wasn't for all the squirrels.
Aye, we'll see if we can get this nuthatch to go and doing somewhere. Onto one of the tables or something. Get a close up. We're just about to leave there. We've seen that.
We've seen the nuthatch flying in, but... pigeon.
Big wood pigeon.
Still a bird.
Aye. Oh, squirrels, you've got to be full by now.
They'll be there, don't they? That's what I'm saying, if the squirrels went.
That nuthatch is still in the tree there somewhere in the hole. Aye. I can see I'm sure there's a pair of them. I can see it through the back and the middle.
I thought I'd seen another one fly
There's
through
one,
there.
like, it's in that same
I can see that one out the back.
It's definitely in the back and the middle there, the nuthatch. It's still there, it's just waiting for these to go, isn't it? So it can get done and get the food. But it's just been on that feeder log, the one that's hanging, and there was no there. It first landed on this little table here, but there's a squirrel there. They'll be itching to get into that, but
So you can see they're preventing everything from coming, really, aren't they?
aye. Two deers just whipped past. There they are. There's one sitting on the perch. It's just flew. It was only. It was probably about a foot and a half away from where in the window. Here's the window. I've got the camera to the front.
Oh, it's landing in the holiday. Can you see?
Does it hear them? Aye.
Oh, shit, what happened there?
Oh, are the squirrels after us? Something happened. Oh, there's the nuthatch on the table.
Damn, it coming off for some reason. Did you get a shot of it?
It was quite quick.
That's what I'm saying. They would.
I got onto it, but it sat. It only
Oh,
was.
what's that on the ground? Is it a donut or something? I kind of.
I'm
Just
not-
on the bottom
Oh,
of
the
the
bottom of the table it is, aye.
Just hopping around there. A donut, or as we call them, hedge sparrows.
Aye. Yeah, and squirrels are making some dodgy noises, aren't they?
I never heard them. Really? Donut's feeding off the ground, that's why you can't get at the tail, can it?
Yeah. There's too many of these things around. Oh, bite, nearly. I think they're just like what you would call boisterous young, aren't they?
It's all
But this-
pretty bump though.
No, there's about 8 of them. There's 2 of them just here in front of us as well. Oh, there's a pheasant.
Alright.
It's a big male pheasant.
Could be doing that by the looks of it. That's weird. Just got its head popping up there, but I think it's on its way towards it.
Aye.
It'll come with full view, I think.
I can hear the squirrels on the roof.
Looks tasty.
Oh, there's the deer just flew past. I'm just sitting here expecting a squirrel to come blasting through this window where I'm
Jumping
sitting. Aye, because we're just on the roof. I could hear them.
It's keeping its way doing it. Not just scared of them.
Aye, it's not.
I suppose the little birds will be frightened of them, like, but the big
Aye.
ones is not going to be on it. Like I say, if it wasn't for these squirrels. It's, I mean, there's an odd thing coming in the jay, the pheasant there, but they're just not. Hold on, what's. Oh no, it's just the blue tail,
Aye,
the grey
so-
tail here. See, they're just in and off, and
Pinch a bit of seeding away as quick as they can. They're not really getting. They've cleaned up the feeders, that's what's going to happen. We'll be cleaning that one who's over there now.
do you think we should head off and have a look
Aye, because we're not
at
going
the
to.
other ones? We've filmed a couple of things. It's not, well, not too bad actually. Good shot of the gym. Did you get the nuthatch on?
Aye, it was sitting on that log, on that feeder log. And I got it on the, I think I got it on the
Pheasant's
table
coming
for a
in
few
there,
seconds.
it's good. We've definitely got good ones of the squirrels anyway.
Aye, plenty squirrel shots. Well, we've just been in the hide there. It's just mostly squirrels, wasn't it? More than out.
Right, there's our thing came in, but it was just frightened off on the butt.
Aye. We've got like fleeting glimpses of certain
got
other
a
birds.
funny thing near the jays, like, which
Aye, a couple of shots of that.
being Oh,
Like-
well, wax, because just as soon as you
They're
get
a very shy bird, aren't they? But when you're in them hides, it does make a difference being in the hide, doesn't it? They're used to them.
Good. And here, that's the first one we've checked.
Aye, we've got a few more.